Well, let's begin the 2 o'clock broadcast with some breaking news. The move to synchronize state assembly and Lok Sabha elections seems to be gathering momentum. In the latest, Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu has said that the government is talking to all political parties. He said that Prime Minister Modi and party leaders also want the same. The government is mulling over the feasibility of simultaneous polls to break the current cycle of assembly polls being held sometimes more than once every year. The first 2 general elections of 1952 and 57 were held for Parliament and all assemblies together. But after 1967, elections to Parliament and assemblies got disconnected as a set of governments formed in a few states did not last their terms.
साइमल्टेनियस इलेक्शन नहीं है तो इस देश में एक इलेक्शन फेस्टिवल चलता है, ऐसा होता है. पहले पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन, देन असेंबली इलेक्शन, देन म्यूनिसिपल इलेक्शन, देन पंचायत इलेक्शन, देन और कोई कोऑपरेटिव इलेक्शन होते रहते हैं. और लोग मजाक बनाते हैं पॉलिटिशियन का, और कुछ काम नहीं है. इलेक्शन सिलेक्शन और करेक्शन यही काम होता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का. ऐसा मजाक उड़ाते लोग. रेगुलर इलेक्शंस के कारण से इसका प्रभाव ये तो खर्चा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, जनता का पैसा है. दूसरा, समय बर्बाद हो रहा है. तीसरा, विकास जो तेजी से विकास चलना चाहिए उसमें भी गतिरोध आ रहा है. इसलिए ये एकदम लोग चाहते हैं जैसा पहले होते थे. मेरा बचपन में मुझे अनुभव है 1967 के पहले चुनाव एक साथ होते थे.
Okay, let's get in a word from Ashar Khan, my senior colleague who's on the phone line with us. Ashar, what is the kind of momentum that this thought is gaining? Because then people would also have to take into consideration that it would almost mean a fixed term for the assembly.
Well, we've seen that the Parliamentary Standing Committee is also is mulling over such a proposal. The Election Commission is also mulling over such a proposal. But what people say, what political parties are saying off the record, that though it's a very good idea, but there could be practical problems which many assemblies and even the central government would face. In fact, though we've seen that in the last around 15 to 16 years, there have been stable central governments, but there has been issue as far as assemblies are concerned. So clearly this is an idea which will take a lot of deliberation amongst several political parties.
Okay, many thanks, Ashar Khan. That's one development we will have to closely track, but it will definitely take much time for it to be finalized, if at all.